You know what I hate the very most about the outdoors? Poison ivy.
First item I got is, which is a pretty classic thing, you know. Pose and stay, I think. Might be a pose and stay, something like that. Yeah, posable, 5 feet tall skeleton. I got 2 of them, so the other one's over there. But yeah, pretty common thing. I think these are pretty good. Now the other thing I'm going to show you I really like, and I think you guys should definitely buy if you're doing like any theme really. I mean, it can go with anything. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you enjoy what you're watching and want more content like this, comment what you would like to see more. Either if you like more unboxing, what you like to see from me. Also, tell me your favorite spirit animatronic from this year. None of it. No, I'm just kidding. I got one, and you'll see that in a few days when it arrives at my house. It should be by the end of this week. That's when it said it would come. And I've seen a lot of people get other ones like Back Ben Bonnie and all of that from Wave 2. Obviously, I got a Wave 2. So I got it actually when it came out, basically. Like when people found it, the website link. Here they are. Now you get 6 of them, but they're just all over the place. I think this is amazing. It's so trippy how it flickers basically like a candle. I think this is really nice. You get 6 of them. Like I said, we got 2 of these, so hey. Alright, so that's these, and let's get back to nothing. Okay, guys. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, guys, if you skipped or made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching.